In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import products into WooCommerce. Before you begin the import process, the most important thing is to make sure your product data is organized correctly. WooCommerce typically imports products from a CSV, which stands for comma separated values, or from a TXT file. In most cases, a CSV file is the standard choice. This file should already contain the product details you want to bring into your store, such as titles, prices, descriptions, and other relevant fields. Taking a moment to prepare your file properly at the start can save you a lot of cleanup later. Once your file is ready, log into your WordPress dashboard. This is where you'll manage your WooCommerce store and access the built-in product import tools. After signing in, go to the products section and then open all products. At the top of that page, you'll see an import button. Click that to open the WooCommerce product importer. On the import products screen, click choose file and select the CSV file from your computer. This tells WooCommerce which product list you want to upload. If your file is formatted in a standard way, this part should be quick and straightforward. Next, check whether your file uses a separator other than a comma. Some spreadsheets or export tools use different delimiters such as semicolons or tabs. If that applies to your file, you'll need to define it in the advanced option labeled CSV delimiter. This is an important detail because WooCommerce uses the delimiter to understand how your data is separated into columns. If the delimiter is incorrect, your product information may not import properly. After that, click Continue. WooCommerce will then take you to the column mapping stage. This is where you map your columns, meaning you confirm which column in your file matches each WooCommerce product field. For example, one column might match the product name, another the regular price, and another the description. WooCommerce may automatically match many of these for you, but it's still a good idea to review them carefully. A quick check here helps prevent product data from ending up in the wrong place. Once the columns are mapped correctly, you're ready to run the import and finalize the process. Start the import and allow WooCommerce time to process the file. Depending on how many products you're importing, this may take a few moments. When the import is complete, review your products in WooCommerce to make sure everything came in as expected. That's it. With a properly prepared file and careful column mapping, importing products into WooCommerce can be a smooth and efficient process.